Myself, Ansari Tahirat Tasneem from Economics Department of JT Arts Science and Commerce College, Malegaon. My topic is measures of eradication of poverty. In order to eradicate poverty from India, the economists have suggested few measures. These measures are number one, increasing the employment opportunity. Since unemployment is interconnected with poverty, बेरोजगारी और गुर्बत दोनों का चोली दामन का साथ है. Raising employment opportunities in India is a pilot solution to poverty. Specific focus should be on the agricultural industry since the majority of population in India depends upon the agricultural activities for their livelihood. The quality of equipments and seeds needs to be enhanced for the higher productivity. Second measure is industrial decentralization. In India, the problem is that all the industries are centralized in industrial areas or located in specific areas of the country. Decentralization of industries is necessary for the economic development of the country, and industrial units should also be set up in rural or far areas of the country for generating rural employment opportunities. Third measure is improved health care facilities. Poor health condition becomes a main for the people or important for the people in India to work hard, because healthy mind in healthy body to earn a satisfactory amount of to sustain their day-to-day living. In order to get rid of this hindrance, there should be improved health care facilities in both rural areas as well as in urban areas. Number 4 is marketing of agricultural products should be facilitated. Only enhanced agricultural productivity will not solve the problem of unemployment, which is one of the root cause of poverty in India. There should be better facilities for marketing the agricultural products, so to get a better prices for their productivities throughout India. Then fifth measure is ancillary industries in rural sector. There should be opportunities for earning for the people who are engaged in cultivational activities in the rural areas at the time when the cultivation activities are not in progress. Cottage industries and ancillary industries like threading, furniture making, matchstick making, spinning, and rope making can also be significant contribution to eradicate the jobless and the eradication of their poverty. Number 6, eradication is land reform. Rules should be made stronger. The lacuna or hindrance in the land reform regulations should be done away with farm-making led reforms. More suitable. Landless cultivators should be given land in order to ensure that they can earn some money more for their livelihood, earning of their livelihood. Then, 7 criteria is the higher focus on cattle breeding and animal husbandry. Cattle breeding and animal husbandry can make a significant contribution in generating employment in the rural areas and for the eradication of poverty. The government should focus on this sincerely and arrange facilities for training to these rural people. Bolstering poverty eradication programs. The need of the labor is to make the poverty eradication programs like IRDP, Integrated Rural Development Program, more effective. More follow-up are needed in this regard. Number 9 is instill a awareness of family planning. In order to tackle poverty or to remove the poverty, it is essential to inculcate the awareness about the importance of the family planning programs in the rural areas or in the minds of the rural people. High population often leads to poverty. Hence, it is essential to check population explosion. Family planning is a good measure to restrict the poverty and the population, raising the awareness about society and political situation. Last but not least, in order to eliminate poverty from India, it is also important that we try our level best to raise the awareness about socio-political situation in the common people of the country. कॉमन पीपल को हमारी सिचुएशन को समझना नहायत ज़रूरी है. द पॉपुलेशन शुड बी अवेयर अबाउट द वेरियस एडवांटेजेस ऑफ poverty alleviation programs and their importance. Thank you. Thanks a lot.